wind catches the rain, blows it right over the top of this, and it hits you right on the top of your knees. So I'm curious to see if it's going to have any effect on that. But I'll just briefly show the installation on this. This is a 2019 Roadmaster. They have these little rubber grommets here. I started the edge of it already. You can just pull it right out and reveal the two mounting holes where this wind deflector is going to go. And you can slide it. I'll try to do this with the camera, watching it through the camera. You slide it right up in there. It comes with some mounting hardware, which I don't think I can do with one hand with the phone in my hand. And that's it. So I'm going to put the bolts in the holes, get it mounted up real quick, and I'll be right back. So you can adjust these forward and backwards slightly with the shape of the slots of the mounting holes in the deflector itself. It does get close to the front plastic part of the fairing. I have the deflectors that are still in the white, basically. They don't have any finish on them. And I'm going to see how they work first before I paint them. I'll try to find a color that's close to the color of the bike and go that route. So we'll see. I gotta get out, put some miles on it. Unfortunately, the seat is off for the time being, but hopefully soon it'll be back. We'll get back out and check it out. But these are the JES custom accents. I'll put a link in the description. He's got them for Harleys. There's quite a few videos floating around already on YouTube of this. I didn't notice any for Roadmaster installation. Super easy, as you can see. So check it out if you're interested in the description.